Hello there, how are you? Today I want to share an incredible solution that transformed my life and can change yours too. Have you tried everything to strengthen your nails, hydrate your skin, and improve your hair's appearance without success? Well, it's time to discover Nano Defense Pro. This innovative product uses cutting-edge nanoscience technology to deliver impressive results. Want to learn more? Click the link in the description to find out to get yours. Let me tell you a bit about my story. My name is Anna, I am 34 years old, and for a long time, I struggled with brittle nails that broke at the slightest touch and dull, fragile hair. My self-esteem was at rock bottom, and I left embarrassed to show my hands. I tried many expensive treatments, but nothing worked. That's when I discovered Nano Defense Pro. At first, I was skeptical, but I decided to give it a try because of the nanotechnology in its formula. And the results were amazing. Within a few weeks, my nails became visibly stronger and healthier. My skin gained incredible softness, and my hair regained its shine and strength. Today, I feel more beautiful, confident, and secure in myself. Nano Defense Pro not only improved my appearance, but also restored the joy and self-esteem I had been longing for. Now, imagine how your life would be with nails that don't break, deeply hydrated skin, and healthy, shiny hair. Nano Defense Pro works effectively, penetrating deep into the layers of your skin and nails with a powerful combination of ingredients like nano silver, nano curcumin, and nano quercetin, which fight free radicals, nourish, and regenerate. You'll enjoy stronger nails, softer, hydrated skin, and revitalized hair. All of this with a safe, natural formula free from harsh chemicals. And the best part? Visible results in no time. So don't wait any longer. If you're ready to transform your personal care routine just like I did, click the link below in the video description to get your Nano Defense Pro now. With a 180-day satisfaction guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Act quickly as stocks are running out. Try it and feel the difference. The change starts today. Thank you very much.